and this song is the first time a heavy metal band has ever been #1 across every single genre in the history of iTunes. Last week, this song was announced that it was gold in the United States of America. Make some fucking noise. Last Friday, our album Disobey dropped, and we peaked at #1 in 17 fucking countries, including America. All the proceeds from this song are donated to the 3 children of Dolores O'Riordan. Rest her soul in heaven. And now I want to ask you guys one more time to put your cell phones and your lighters up in the sky. Everybody put them up, light this motherfucker up. Light it up. Light them up. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to hear you guys sing so fucking loud that Dolores can hear you in the fucking heavens above! Real motherfuckers make some goddamn noise. Ladies and gentlemen, we're Bad Wolves from Los Angeles, California. Make some noise one more time for our brothers in Five Finger Death Punch! We're gonna come out there at the end of the night. On your way out, we're gonna stop at the merch booth. We're gonna shake everybody's hand that we can. We'll sign whatever you have. We're not rock stars. This is about fucking community, and that's what this shit is. This is a way of life. Metal is not fashion, it's fucking passion. We're